Adam here from Theatre Workout, and I want to introduce you to a sample itinerary that we can do for your international groups coming to London to study English and to improve the quality of their English with language schools and language courses. This is a 1 week training program combining all the essentials that you would need for your trip, including domestic travel, accommodation, and meals, along with all the experiences that you want. We've got 15 hours of English lessons here with reputable language schools such as Bayswater Education, Twin Group, or Oxford International. There are many others that we can work with as well as 8 hours of specialist drama training. This is a program that we've been running for over 20 years, specifically designed for international groups to help them improve their English through drama, as well as a host of other skills like building their confidence, oracy skills, listening and communication, teamwork and leadership, all sorts of different things included in there, as well as some great excursions that you would want to do to enrich the experience that the group have got in the UK. Pricing depends on what you want to do, when you want to do it, and where you want to go. So the sort of accommodation you want to stay in, whether you are staying in London or out of London, whether you go for a language school in or out of London, all sorts of different things can affect the price. So this is really just an example of what we can do for you. It goes from Sunday to Sunday. So day one, arrive in London, meet your tour leader at the airport who will help you to your accommodation. We've got a coach transfer to take you to your homestay network, where you will then meet all of your host families, staying in groups of 2 to 4 per house. We can also do accommodation in hotels, hostels, and student halls. Depends on the age of the group and when you're wanting to travel as to what we can do for you. Every day, pretty much the same sort of format. You'd meet your tour leader in the morning. They will escort you to your language lessons at your language school. You'll have 2 or 3 hours there before then having afternoon excursions. So on day one, we've got an afternoon sightseeing tour around London on a classic Route Master bus with an afternoon tea. Beautifully English, lovely food. It's a really lovely experience. And then your first acting workshop with us at Theatre Workout, led by professional actors, singers, dancers, performers who will work with you to improve your English through drama. Day two, you've got the language lessons in the morning with the Natural History Museum in the afternoon. You've then got on Wednesday a second workshop, but then rather than going back to your accommodation for your evening meal, you would stay in town, have a meal at Bella Italia on the Strand before going to watch a West End show like Wicked or Hadestown. There are lots of other shows that we can do for you as well. And between that, you can also have some free time to do some shopping around Covent Garden. On Thursday, we've got a visit to the Tate Britain Gallery. You could also do the Tate Modern. And again, there's lots of other museums, galleries and attractions that we can do for you as well. And then on Friday, your last workshop, a Shakespeare-themed workshop. This is really popular for a lot of our German groups, as well as some other international groups, especially from Asia, who are interested in doing Shakespeare as part of their language learning. And then on Saturday, a day out. We're going out to Oxford here, but we could also go to Cambridge or other destinations around London. So you get out of London, see somewhere else. This is a beautiful ancient city. You get a guided tour around some of the university buildings and the sites of Oxford. Explore some of the amazing bookshops that they have there in the Ashmolean Museum before coming home and having a farewell meal all together, where you get to have one last evening together. And then on Sunday, depending on the time of travel of your flights back home, you could do some last minute shopping on Oxford Street before heading out to the airport to go home. This is fully customizable to your group and whatever it is that you want to do with them. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. You can find out more at theatreworkout.com. Get in touch and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.